Hi everyone, and this is Angela with Earrings by Angela. Welcome to our channel. Before we start, I would like you to know that there is a free download for the ultimate tool list, okay? So you can download that because that's where I'm making these videos from, okay? Because I'm actually showing you the tools on that list and how they work. Yay! How exciting is that? So today we are talking about cones, okay? So these are cones. This is a cone. Let me bring that up because it's kind of little. They come in different sizes. If my camera would be nice and focused for me, that'd be great. There it is. There it is, you guys. And if you read palms, let me know what these lines mean. What's going to happen in my love life, y'all? I'm just kidding. So we're going to get started. I have a bead here, okay, and I'm going to show you how the cone works. So I have my bead ready. Camera, can you focus today? Like, I know that you're tired. I'm tired too, boo, but you got a job to do. We both do. We got to teach these people. Thank you. All right, y'all. Sometimes you got to have a conversation with your tools. So we just slide that through here, okay? And this is what it looks like. So imagine if I'm creating a bracelet or a necklace and there's more. This is a classy way to end it, right? You see the cone doesn't fit exactly on the bead because I wanted it to go with a bigger one. So let's see what it looks like with a smaller bead. Okay. I'm gonna take that off. Sorry, you didn't get fired. You just go to lunch right now. All right. Take your little 15-minute break. Y'all, you so crazy, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna see what it looks like with this one. So this one fits a little bit better, just a little bit better. So it gives it different looks according to your beads. Now, I would not use a really giant bead for the cone because it's just gonna you definitely just want to go with a bigger cone. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it with this. I'm gonna finish with this because I want to show you how to finish this off. So I need you to see that there is, wait, let's come on now, do your job. This is what you get paid for now. All right, there is a little hole right here, and that's where that wire is coming through. Okay, so you see that. Now this, you see how petite and dainty that looks. So what I'm gonna do is around this hole, right? I'm just gonna bend this wire like this and wrap it because this is a thin wire. I'm gonna wrap it to secure that bead. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my wire cutters, cut that little excess off. Be careful not to cut the wrap though. Bring the cleaners in because he come to clean up our mess, and thank you for that. And now I have finished either my necklace, my bracelet, whatever it's going to be, and I can attach it, or this can just be a pendant. It's really, I'm just showing you how to use the cones. Okay, so I do have bigger ones, but I like the petite ones because it gives it so much fancy, classy look. So thank you. That is probably one of the quickest. Nope, I just lied. I was thinking it was the quickest video. I just looked at the time. It's not. But go ahead and download that tool list and let me know if you have any questions, comments, whatnot. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great time creating.